Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make grilled cheese and tomato soup. First, we're going to start by making the tomato soup. Take 4 tomatoes cut in half and use a fine cheese grater and grate them until only the fine skin is left. Next, bring the tomato juice and pulp to a boil for about 3 to 4 minutes. Turn the stove off and add basil, heavy cream, olive oil, and salt and pepper. Stir this mixture and put it into the blender. Blend until smooth. Transfer the soup to the bowl. And add a little basil on top for garnish. Now for the grilled cheese. To start, you can take 2 pieces of white bread, then add 1 slice of cheddar, and we did 4 slices of Gouda cheese. After that, take a little butter and put it on the outsides of the sandwich. You can put more butter on the other side of the sandwich too, and put a little butter on the stove. Cook the sandwich at low-medium heat and flip it. Let it cook until it's golden, about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. That's how you make a grilled cheese sandwich. The link to the recipe is in our description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!